Well, good morning and welcome to another session of Caring for Your New Lennar Home. My name's Rob. I'm part of the customer care team here in Minnesota. Today we're going to briefly review your water shutoff valves in your home. We will cover what they are, where they're located, how to operate them, and why they're important. As you may already know, water is an essential component to the operation and maintenance of your home, and with that it's also important to understand how to control the flow of the water in your home, whether turning the water on or turning it off. First, as you might understand, water is fed to your home or supplied to your home by way of the water main line that comes into your home through the concrete floor here in the basement. On that line, there's one shutoff valve just above the concrete floor and just below the water meter. Generally speaking, you should never have to be concerned with this shutoff. Along that line, above the water meter, there's another shutoff valve. This is the valve that either you or the plumber may periodically have to use when doing some home repairs. The next location where water shutoff valves are in your home is at each water site. This includes the sinks and the toilets. The shutoff valves at the sinks, generally speaking, are underneath the sink in a cabinet against the wall. There's generally two supply lines, one for hot, one for cold. There's a shutoff valve for each. Operation of them just involves pulling the valve toward you for shutting the water off, or pushing the valve toward the line or away from you to turn the water on. If the sink is a pedestal sink, which is commonly found in the powder room, the shutoff valves are generally behind the pedestal. The shutoff valves for the toilets are underneath the tank, and they run down from there and connect to the wall. These shutoff valves are operated in exactly the same way as the shutoff valves for the sink, pulling toward you to turn it off, pushing away from you to turn it on. Periodically, you might encounter an overflowing sink or an overflowing toilet. In this case, this is where the shutoff valves become very important. We're able to go right to the site and shut off the flow of water, stopping any potentially surrounding damage to the surrounding area. Another example where you may have trouble is with a multiple site water leak in your home. In this case, there's no need to panic. You can simply come down here to the basement, go to the main line, and shut it off right here. You would also then want to contact the plumbing emergency assistance line, and beyond that, do some follow-up with Lennar customer care. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on another session of Caring for Your New Lennar Home.